To change a theme on the Samsung Galaxy A05, first let's launch our settings. Then we can find the themes section right here. If you open it for the first time, you will need to log in to your Samsung account. After that, you will see all of the themes available, and most of them cost money. You can see the prices under each of the theme. If you're decided, then you can buy it, but if we scroll all the way down, we should be able to find the free themes. And now choose whichever one you like, select download, and here click on apply. And as you can see, our theme have been changed.